The Restore Skills program is something we use almost on a daily basis. It is good for a variety of games, interests of different people. There's sports, there's memory, there's different things that kind of attract each resident.
By using the Restore program, we've been able to have our patients more involved and interactive with our therapy sessions at this facility.
It's a lot of fun to play because it keeps my brain occupied and I get some exercise while doing it.
It restores the skills, it restores the mobility, and it also restores the endurance.
Skill building qualities that Restore addresses would be range of motion, coordination, endurance, activity tolerance, dynamic standing, functional reaching, a lot of core involvement. I would highly recommend it. It's an alternative source to treatment, and like I said, not doing any mundane repeated exercises. It can be very client-centered, and there's a lot of opportunities to work on not only mobility but also cognition, socialization, and attention.